Right, I just put a little bit of steam on the dowel, and the first thing I noticed was the manometer wasn't working. So I'm going to take that off, and just for this short video I'm going to see if I can get some joy with this, and just to cure any little jobs one by one as I go. So hopefully it will just came off quite easily. Let's see what I can. These are not normally too bad to get apart. I have to be really careful with these little screws though, because they bounce on my bench, on underneath my bench, and I'll never see them again. So there's my pliers. A little bit stiff. And there she comes out. What happens is sometimes you can see a bit of scale. Bit of scale there. What I normally do is I just spray some penetrating fluid. All around. If it's been a shelf queen, never really moved. Right, so it definitely wasn't working. It's in good condition though. Right, I'll get my airline. Got a little airline. Put that on here, and I'll see if we can get any movement. Yes, can't reach the airline, so let's see if we can get any movement. I can reach my airline. Yep. There we go. Now, hopefully, that'll work when I put it back on a machine. But it's definitely working, and it wasn't working just now. So, one little repair done. I'll just put it back together now, put it back on the machine, and call that a winner. Look how good that, nice that condition is. Really nice. Let's turn that off again. Alright, I'll probably put this on the back of one of the videos, or give it its own little patch in the middle somewhere. But yeah, that's going alright. So I'll just put it back together now and refit it. Let's see, I'm moving this, difficult moving. I knew I'd have to, I knew this would be a delicate job, because I have to hold that down because there's glass in there. This slots in. Lovely condition that is. These screws. First one's in. First one is in. It's an unusual one, this screw. It's off centre. You can see that. It's tiny as well, it's extra short. I'll do this over here because if I drop it, at least it'll only go in the bench. Tiny little thing. It's a little bit off centre. Just a tiny little bit off centre. I'll have to loosen this one again. Fiddly job. Success. Nice. Right, I'm going to put it back on. And hopefully, when I try to steam it, we get some pressure reading. Nice. So I'm going to leave it for there, and I'll have a look, see what else needs fixing. I'm not happy with that. It's a proper kink. I know exactly what happened. Try and straighten that, and it's going to crack. I don't like to put a new one on because then it's not original. That will definitely crack if I try and straighten that. I will do something with this, but what's happened, this has had a whack on the end. It's had a whack on the end and it's pushed this, the whole end has gone back just a couple of millimeters, and that's why this is distorted. Now I'm not going to try to pull the whole end out because I know what'll happen. These will just pop out. You won't be straightening that cover, that end plate. It just won't straighten. So I'm just going to leave that. It's just it's no leaks or anything like that, so it's just too risky to try and repair that end. It's had it's definitely dropped, and the same, you can see that the manometer, the pressure gauge, is tipping back a bit. I'm not happy with that either, but it's something I don't really want to it's not leaking or anything like that. Hopefully this will work now, but I'm not happy trying to straighten this end when it's not that bad. If it all works, I'll be happy to leave it as it is. So I'll leave that there, guys. I'm going to have a general look over it a bit more, but yeah, she's freed up. Got this a little bit stiff in places, but we'll see how she goes. I'll be back soon.